Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Mexc. TradingView has integrated real-time data from the Mexc crypto exchange, offering a powerful tool for your market analysis. This means you can now view a wide array of spot and perpetual contract trading pairs directly on TradingView charts. This collaboration significantly enhances your charting and technical analysis, providing a seamless experience for market observation. To begin viewing Mexc data, simply open your TradingView platform. Locate the search bar for symbols, typically at the top of the interface. Then type Mexc, followed by the specific asset you wish to analyze, for example, Mexc BTCust. From the search results, select the relevant Mexc trading pair to load its real-time chart and data. It's a straightforward process to get started. It's important to understand that while TradingView provides Mexc data for analysis, it does not currently support direct trade execution to Mexc. This means you cannot place buy or sell orders directly from TradingView charts to your Mexc account. You will need to perform your analysis on TradingView, then switch to the Mexc platform to execute your trades. For advanced users seeking automated trading, some third-party services or custom API integrations can facilitate trade execution via webhooks. These solutions typically involve setting up API keys on both your Mexc account and the external service. While they can automate trades based on TradingView alerts, it is crucial to exercise extreme caution and conduct thorough research before using any unofficial tools.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.